Hey everyone, today I'm gonna quick DVD unboxing. Today I'm gonna show you Creed 2. This one it's a DVD I got it from Walmart. See, it's like a fun you can see here. It's Creed. And there's gagging, emotional, gripping, and entertaining. So excited to know Michael B. Jordan and Sylvester Stallone. See, it's a great movie, just like Rocky. So anyways, here's look at the spine. And then here on the back, absolutely excellent writing. See, there's special features, the Rocky Legacy. See, this is rated PG-13, sports action, violence, language, and a scene of sensuality. And this is from Warner Brothers Pictures and MGM. Here's a disc of Creed 2. Well, that's everybody for Creed 2 DVD unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this movie. So this is my ticker. See you next time.